Hello everyone, how to do it. I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to buy coin on SweetMeet dating and chat application. So first of all, you need to log in your account, or you need to start your account. Then you can see here the option, it's the coin icon. Simply tap here. Then you can get here a couple of options. The more coins you buy, the bigger profit you get. So you can choose here. You can see here four option. You can choose according to your and how to use coins. Get in the center of attention, show your photo to all user online, send usual gift or premium class gift, upload your photo to feed, ask your question at the minimum at the same time. So those package you're going to buy, and once you choose, then simply tap on the continue. Then you have to give your credit and debit card account number. Then you can send save card. Then you can continue and buy it. So today's normal, and see you the next video.